So, guys, we are live. Welcome each and everyone to the call. Good evening, good morning to your respective time frames. I think we should start. We should start. We are live, and let's see if we have some viewers today. Otherwise, we'll just keep it on the channel so that everyone else who came after, like we end the call, and then they see recordings. They are like most welcome if they come and see the recording. Okay, let's start. So if we get any good trading idea, good setup, we'll definitely post a recap on, or even we can make a highlight video where we'll like post what are the good points, what we have learned so far, or even if we hit an ESL, so what we have learned from that trade. So that would be really crucial to be on the hindsight when you see what exactly happened, right? And why you failed, why your setup failed, why exactly you hit SLs. Okay, so there's always a learning on each and every side, even if you're winning or losing. So be prepared for that. So let's just see what all we have. This is the almost we have 2 hours till then London session ends, so we can trade. Possibly there's volume in the market. I see gold. I even caught a move on Euro USD earlier this day, which was like a really great move. Even not a single one. It was like one move here, another was here. I guess I've hidden it, like put it on the height. So if you see, yes, this one is the perfect trade. If you see it, it take profits. So no matter what, like if you are sticking to your rules, if you're sticking to the trading rules, you always gonna be the profitable on the profitable side. So just manage the risk accordingly. If you're trading Euro USD, you know what to risk, where you exactly you need to enter. So this is amazing demand cluster which has formed. If you see, like if we analyze the whole move, we didn't get any sort of an entry. I was looking for this trend line liquidity to break from these point, demand getting pulled from this point, and the trend line liquidity got taken out so that we can trade upon. But what happened? Market moved to lower demands. Still, we don't have any sort of an entry right here. It just was some kind of a, like you can say, exhaustion phase, and after that accumulation happened. This is the point where market left and just have a parabolic run right from there. So if you see right there, markets just be like creating a new high each and every time it has a pullback. Didn't even come to the previous clusters or this demand. This has been a very small demand which has held right above, right below this supply, and then just broke, create a new high. We have this again a reversal, then again we create a new high. This was the previous point of interest, the latest we can say. Once the market reach here, this was the latest point of interest. If market could even possibly hit this, I would have like looking for some confirmation to enter here. But then what happened? On 1 minute, we have a small low here. We have like a whole mini structure going on here. So we have a low, which market breaks, creates a new high, gives a confirmation. I entered here, targeting these highs, which was somewhere about five risk to reward, right? So that was again a very good trade, very good risk to reward there of 1:5, which means that you are risking 1% to gain 5% on your account, and that exactly happened. So we win this trade, and once again market came back exactly to clear the stop funds, clear the liquidity below. All of those, like you can say, the greedy people who thinks that markets now been has taken a U-turn and now it's be over. Like it would go like this, and creates a new like a bullish move, right? So all of those greedy people who didn't take profit, right? So all of those got on even on break even or hit their SLs. But this is the true nature of the market. It didn't let anyone win for a long time. If you see profits, just book it. That's as simple as that. But because once you are in a profitable side, you have to realize and to realize, and now you see that you are on a profitable side, so you have a confidence. The next day when you come, you see the markets in a different perspective. As lot many traders see it on a different side. So now you have an edge over the markets because now you are more confident. Now you're more you have more money to trade. You have more but you can say you have more the confidence in your strategies, right? So now once again it hit here. Now we have a good bullish pullback, and then again market came here to this OB, develops this. We have a move, great move to the higher side. Now again it coming on this demand cluster once again, mitigating this demand cluster. And let's see, like this is how it's accumulate. Very slow and gradual move. It's making its own way. Doesn't making any noise so that many of the traders who are the actual retail traders who market wants to target. Market wants to like target their money. That all of those people now what they do, they see uh, this as a high, this low, this is a lower high. Now market breaks. It's a downtrend, right? So they start to short here. They start to short here. There's SLs. There's n numbers of SLs above here, here. Everywhere there is SL. And what market do to make these retail traders out is like it just went like this and then come down to give buyers an opportunity to enter, and then the actual move starts. So that's how a trend starts. So most of the retail traders in this case would think that this is the start of a new trend and I want to catch it early. What if I would be like some sort of a hero or some sort of a big successful, I become a big successful trader once I catch this big move, and they'll start to overtrade, over leverage, over risk. So that's where the all of the problem starts. And like in my opinion that is again like if you're risking high and you don't know the consequences what could possibly be happen if you don't put SLs, or if you don't put the right exact lots. So that would be really like the very like you can say the uh, you can face the backlash once you hit this SLs, once you like burn out all of your money. So like that's not a ideal situation everyone wants to be in. So so in the to be on the right side of the liquidity, you need to wait here. Even I am like I see this as an accumulation phase where slowly and gradually market making its way. Most of the traders accumulating here, but once market makes an actual move, there could be some wick below that puts the SL once again from the buy side liquidity, and then creates a move. So just wait until market gives a clear direction and then move back to the OB. There is your entry. Right, there is a confirm entry. This isn't an entry. This isn't an actual order block formed right now. Right, so we need to wait a lot until market creates an actual move. And the best thing you can do to don't miss out these trades is that you can also put some alerts. If you have a trading view premium, you can put multiple alerts here, and where you can have an again a big edge over the markets where you know exactly where market has been heading to. If it's gonna clear this high, you have an alert. Oh, it's already cleared this. Now you become active. So you see whether market creates a new high and then coming back, you know exactly where to enter now because you have a confirmation. It already broke the previous mini structure high, and now you have a good higher high based on that. So you make a decision. Okay, so perfect. This is about Euro USD, but the one thing that I am concerned about on Euro USD is that it has like closed below and it has given this crazy wick to the high side, which cleared again this liquidity. I know few people were shorting. Like after all, they see this as a big uptrend. They were like kind of shorting it right here once again. They have their supply zones. They have their supply zones here. So like the idea behind shorting, I didn't get it because like it's overall been in an uptrend and already cleared the sell side liquidity. So my opinion would be here is market would come for a little bit of retracement until it just turn around and give us a move. So because the psychology behind all of this is happening, it already cleared the liquidity, right? And now it wants to clear all the buy side liquidity to actually when it's ready to make a big move, right? So market makers like they just bucket like this only. The banks, the big lot size, the people trading with big lot size, they used to work like this. They first need to clear liquidity from both sides. They don't want retailers like us, like the people like us who sitting on uh, an individual like us who are just trading on some different patterns, some different strategies. They don't want to make they don't want us to make the money. So just be prepared, just be prepared, be patient, because the only thing that can save you is a good strategy, a good risk reward, and that's how you can make money. Also, like, keep the maths right every time. If you keep your maths right, you're risking at a single like the one oh, the if you have set if you have a set of rules for your trading, and now you've been risking only 1% on each trade. So, and suddenly you started to risk zero point 0.5, or you started to risk 1.5% on your trades, so that can like possibly be dismantle your all the strategies, all of the trading rule, and can also fuck up with your math. So that won't be an ideal situation. So it's always better to stick to your plan. If you're risking 1%, if you're risking only 0.5% on each trade, just go with that. It doesn't matter what kind of a trade is it, or what kind of a surety you have on that particular trade. So that can also be like kind of give you an edge, right? So perfect, perfect. Let's see if we have anyone today. Or just okay. So we have a one viewer. So guys, whoever is it, so you can just text it on this chat so that I can know and I can communicate with you if you have any doubts. If you want me to analyze any particular currency, I can do it for you. So just let me know. I'm just typing hello to you. Perfect. So I guess yes, there's been some delay, about 40 to 45 seconds. So if you got my hello, if you got good morning from my side, just do let me know. Uh, Otherwise, we are good to go. I will definitely be sharing this as a recording. So most of the people who weren't able to join now, so they can in future possibly. So yeah, perfect. So I guess yes, this is perfect. So uh, okay, so now we have, as we have covered gold, now we have BC dollar index. Oh God, okay. This is Ethereum dominance. This is Bitcoin has been like crazy this day. So like it's almost about 5% from here. So if you are not a part of my premium Discord server, I've been already shared this that this has been forming. And like the market was still here when I posted that this is an actual accumulation happening, because I see like how these candles would form and how this distributed, then this exhaustion happened until the big move. So it already been clear that this is a big accumulation, and people already a stop and also happened, then a big move. So like very much bullish on Bitcoin since it has started to clearing previous highs. I've been bullish, and like slowly and gradually it's just started to move. That's the only thing we all want to see. The cryptos started to rise again. So as I said, always DCA, dollar cost average, each and every month, that could make you a good on a very good situation at the end of the month. So like from here I only see a upside from here now, because like if you see how banks are failing, how other like the US is hitting recession, so there might be people looking for more safer opportunities. So one of the most safer opportunity to invest for the investors is gold. any day. So gold would be again kind of remain bullish for a long time now, and it's going to be bullish again. So yeah, I guess gold would be that thing, and again Bitcoin as the price action is. So we can say yes, Bitcoin is crazy, going crazy. Like so, you can also bet on Bitcoin where all of these cryptos can make you a hell lot of money over the period of time. So this is not some kind of a magic or some kind of a financial advice, right? So some people see crypto as a magic once they invest and they want crypto to just boom 1 and 2x and give them life changing money. So that's not be a case here. If you are if you are like educated enough, if you know what exactly is a blockchain technology or what it can do to our lives or what it can be create a possible impact on the future life, so you already know where it's heading to. So you invest accordingly, and you know the results. What's the outcome gonna be after 4 5 years when Ethereum would be somewhere around $20,000, Bitcoin would be somewhere around six figures. That's the point where exactly we can say that yeah, we have we have faced this whole thing, and we know how the price action works. We know we trusted the blockchain technology. That's gonna be the one of the legendary things that we have faced, we have gone through, right? So XRP is one of the currencies which have been so much bullish because it's there in the market from a very long time, been consistently. Uh, Community is very active, founders are active, and they're fighting a case which is almost XRP is on the winning side, and the lawsuit is finally, I guess, coming to an end. So where XRP would possibly be winning, and the prices of XRP would skyrocket because I can see like previous bull run. Markets kind of failed to clear the previous all-time high because of the lawsuit happening on XRP. But this time I see the actual volumes hitting the XRP, and it might clear even this high and the all-time highs, which is just a matter of fact that it clears and give us a move. So XRP like is really looking very good. It's had a good demand, and I guess it's worth investing right now. It's had a good demand and holding that support kind of position to make a big move. So I guess I should open it in a new tab. Definitely, after ending this stream, I would definitely going to invest like some bucks on XRP. Definitely. This is looking really good, and this has an opportunity to like even if market comes here, I don't care, right? Because the plan is to hold, plan is to hodl. So until market reach this area. So now if once XRP hits like the areas like this above $1, so at that point of time it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter I've entered on 0.47 cents or 0.43 cents, right? All that matters is I've made it through, right? So it's very important, right? Once you understand the market psychology, once you understand how like the entry points, and once you start to invest for a long time, you start to invest for let's say you are looking to target the full bull run. So it doesn't matter like if it's point 43 cents or a point 5 cents. It's just like you just need an entry, bro. So it's just as simple as that. Let's see if we have anyone. Okay, perfect, guys. So yeah, so let's see if there's any trade forming up until that time. USD JPY. How's it looking? It's looking. Yeah, still have to make its way down. But yeah, I think this is too early, right? So I think yes, there is still a lot of room to cover. And yes. Let's see what's happening. 4 hour has a bullish candle close. So it's very crucial to see if this 4 hour close. If it's happened below this, then it would be like markets creating this move. And if it doesn't, then I would like start to look some bullish long ideas where I can target this liquidity. Gold is looking very good, right? So exactly this was the move I'm looking for. Like market has creating this accumulation, right? If you see this previous high clears that high, creates a new high low. Now there's an OB. So this OB for me is a good zone where market could held and gives an opportunity, right? So this was the just the first move in the opposite direction of the trend. And now, as it has made another move, it has stated that there's some buyers present, and they wants to like buy this market up. So for me, this would be the entry point. This OB SLs would be like gold. Like as far as gold is concerned, gold is little volatile compared to other. So it has a tend to make some wicks while making the actual move. Before making the actual move, so definitely targeting this whole liquidity range. But like yeah, still good. So 1:7. It's still a very good risk to reward. And I don't want to be in a situation where my stop loss is very tight, but at the end it hits and then the move comes. So that is a situation where you like play with your emotions. The psychology got fucked up, and then everything just started to move around in your head. That why you have such a tight stop loss. Because if you would have a stop loss that have a space, give market space to run. So in that situation, like you could have end up in profits, right? Rather than to be like realizing losses. So something is always better than nothing, right? If you even up by 1%, 2%, that would be great, right? So like you lose 1%, that is a loser situation. But if you win 1 or 2%, that's an ideal situation, right? So perfect. Let's wait. If market gives us an opportunity, market taps here. Let's be patient. We are not entering right here, anywhere. Like as a trader, as I can say, as I'm like hosting this session, so I have a responsibility. I have to be accountable that I'm not breaking any rules. I'm not getting into any FOMOs. So it's always better that I wait, even for my trades to happen. Yeah, perfect. So, like I'll be muting myself for the time being. That market gave us an opportunity to come back and hit. So until then, like let's just take some rest. Or the stream is live. We are live here. We are not going anywhere. So currently we are looking at this. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So we can do this, right? I think. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's see if we have any. So this is not an active trade idea. I just put it for my back testing purpose, not a trading idea. So perfect, perfect, perfect. Video capture device. Okay. We are on gold. Let's just wait for gold to just move. 15 looks bullish. Yeah, perfect entry would be this. So let's just wait. Let's just wait. I told you long ago. Okay, okay. Let's see if we can lock the volume until the market hits the exact price we are predicting.